How to log out of the Guarda Wallet account. First of all, open Guarda Wallet app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, to log out of your Guarda Wallet account, you can see the option of settings on the bottom right hand side or the gear icon. Go ahead and tap on settings. Scroll all the way down after you have clicked on settings and you can see something like backup and logged out. Go ahead and tap on backup and log out. Scroll a bit down and you can see the option of download backup file. Go ahead and tap on this once and the backup file will be downloaded. After that, just go ahead and tap on the option of continue without backup. Just go ahead and enter your password once, because without doing this, you cannot sign out or log out of your Guarda Wallet app. Go ahead and tap on confirm and log out once, and as you can see, you have easily logged out of the Guarda Wallet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.